In the second lecture, the first chapter, which is known as an examination of the wise, it says, when one knows what the wise investigate, one is counted among the wise. A fool may be skilled in assessing a cow's age, but that is not so valuable an attainment. So it says in Tibetan, Kebanam Gijabaye, Shedashana Kebardang, Palangin Shinjabala, Lubo Kejang Yenden Min. So whatever we know is not necessarily worthwhile knowledge or meaningful knowledge. But scholars who have mastered both temporal and spiritual doctrines are considered learned, praiseworthy, and wise. With reasoning and scriptural authority, they have thoroughly investigated non-Buddhist system of knowledge, as well as the Buddhist Tipitaka and Tantric texts. So those who knows worldly or dharmic topics that are worthwhile, that are meaningful, that can really help many beings, such knowledge is considered meaningful, and one who knows this are considered as a praiseworthy and wise and learned person. But then on the other hand, one might be highly proficient in assessing the age of animals like horse and cattle by examining their teeth, their horns, and their tails, etc. But such knowledge does not lead to enlightenment. Such knowledge is not so meaningful, or such knowledge are not worthwhile. So even though one knows these things, one is not considered as a scholar or as a very learned person just by knowing the age of animal. So whether one is learned or not does not depend on just gaining a knowledge. It means whether you know the meaningful knowledge or not. If one knows a worthwhile topic or meaningful topic, then one is considered as a learned person. So therefore, before learning anything, one should examine whether this kind of topic is worthwhile or not. If it is worthwhile, then one should put effort and study hard so that one can gain worthwhile knowledge. If the topic is not so meaningful, or if the topic is not worthwhile, then putting so much effort in such topic is also not worthwhile. So therefore, whatever we learn, we should know that whether this is a worthwhile topic or not. And if we are convinced that the one that we are going to learn, or one is going to learn, is worthwhile, then one should study and put effort in gaining such knowledge. So this is the advice.